Let's see how we create a sales line and swap it into a rental order for a customer. I'm creating a new sales order for a customer, and of course I've made some setup for this customer. And I could determine here on the sales header my rental location code, return date, etc., or it will just use my default setup. So I could directly on the line state that I'm going to rent out my Segway. I want to rent out one piece, and I could determine somewhere on the line here the shipment day that I want to ship it off, for instance on September 18, like this. And as long as it's an quantity item here, I could also just enter the return date directly on the line, or I could use the header for doing it. So I could say directly here, I want to give it back on October 3, like this. So now I can send an order confirmation for this customer with the price for my rental if I'm only selling one piece, etc. And when the customer confirms this order, I can swap the rental line, which will create 2 transfer orders in this example. So if I'm looking, and you can see now the unit price is changing from one piece, where it calculated the unit price, now till 16 days, with the same unit price, of course. So what the customer saw in the order confirmation is, of course, correct. So if I open my rental relation line now, I can see that it calculated, or it created one outbound transfer order and also one inbound transfer order for handling it. So it will be the swapping on the sales order after the customer accepts the confirmation that makes the actual rental relations.